Hi students, if you're new to my channel, I am Divya. I will be teaching 10th class mathematics. Today, we will be discussing exercise 4.2. If you have missed watching my previous videos, I will put all the links in the description box below or I will put it in this I button. So let's get started. So today we will be solving question number 2. Solve the problems given in example 1. So we have two questions in example 1. We will be solving them today. The first one is John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So see here, John and Jivanti, they both together have 45 marbles. Okay. So let us take, if John have 30 marbles, then what will Jivanti have? Jivanti will have 15 marbles, right? Because John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Okay. So in the same way, if you take John have 40 marbles, Jivanti will have 5 marbles because together they have 45 marbles. Clear? Now see here, both lost 5 marbles each. If you take this example, okay, if John loses 5 marbles, he will have 25, and if Jivanti loses 5 marbles, she will have 10. Okay, the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. After losing 5 marbles each, the product of the number of marbles they have is 124. Okay, we would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So let us solve the question. We will let number of marbles John have is x. And number of marbles Jivanti have is, see, total they have 45 marbles. Okay, so if John have x marbles, Jivanti will have 45 minus x. So let us take this example. If John have 30 marbles, then Jivanti will have 45 minus 30 is 15 marbles. Okay. See, you can also take number of marbles Jivanti have is x and number of marbles John have is 45 minus x. You can take any of them. Okay. Both lost 5 marbles each. Now see here, after losing 5 marbles, then John will have x minus 5, right? Then Jivanti will have 45 minus x is what Jivanti has and minus 5. Okay, so this will be 40 minus x. Now see the question. The product of the number of marbles they have is 124. After losing 5 marbles, John have x minus 5 and Jivanti have 40 minus x. Okay. Now we need to take the product of these two, which is x minus 5 and 40 minus x, which is equals to, here it is 124. 124. Okay. Now multiply them. You will get 40x, x into x is minus x square, minus 40 into 5 is 200, and minus into minus is plus 5x is equals to 124. So this will be 45x minus x square minus 200 is equals to 124. So let us take all the three terms to RHS, because here we have x square is a negative term. So let us take it to RHS to make it a positive. So you will get x square minus 45x. So plus 45 will become minus 45, and this is minus 200. So you will get plus 200. In the RHS, you already have plus 124 is equals to 0. So which is x square minus 45x plus 324 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation which we have got. Okay. Now we need to factorize this quadratic equation and find the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay. So we need to split minus 45x. Okay. So let us prime factorize 324. 2 table, 2 ones, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again you can take 2 table, 2 8s are 16, 2 ones 2. Then we can take 3 table, 3 27s are, then 3 table again, 3 9s are, then 3 table again, 3 3s are, again 3 table, 3 ones. Okay. So see here, if you multiply, you need to get 324, and if you add them, you need to get minus 45, which is our middle term. Okay. So let us divide them. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 3 3s are 9. So see here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and you can take 3 3s are 9. So 36 and 9. So 36 and 9, anyways, if you multiply, you will get 324. If you add them, you will get 45, right? But you need to get minus 45. So let us take minus 36 and minus 9, which is minus 45. Okay, clear? Now let us split the middle term, which is x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equals to 0. Here if you take from the first two terms, if you take x common, you will get x minus 36. And from the next two terms, if we take minus 9 common, you will get x minus 36. Okay, 36 into 9 is 324. So is equals to 0. We have x minus 36 and x minus 36 common. So let us take x minus 36, and the remaining is x minus 9 is equals to 0. Now let us split 0 to both of them, which is x minus 36 is equals to 0 and x minus 9 is equals to 0. So you will get x is equals to 36 and 9. Okay. See, if x is equals to 36, then number of marbles John have is 36 and number of marbles Jivanti has is 45 minus 36, right? Which is 45 minus 36 is 9 marbles, right? Okay. So if you take x is equals to 9, if you take x is equals to 9, so see here, if x is equals to 9, then number of marbles John have is 9 and number of marbles Jivanti has is 45 minus 9 is 36. Okay, clear? So let us solve the next question. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. So we have a cottage industry which produces toys. The cost of production of each toy. So now they're talking about the cost of each toy. So what is the cost of each toy? The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So what is the number of toys produced in a day? So see here, for example, if we take the number of toys produced in a day was 15. Okay. Now, what is the cost of one toy? That is 55. 55 minus 15. Right? You will get 40. Okay. You will get 40 rupees. So, the cost of each toy you will get is 40 rupees. Okay. Now see the question. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750. Okay. So some particular day, the total cost of production, the total number of toys which was made was 750. Okay, the cost which was made was 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. So here we need to find the number of toys produced on that day where the total cost of production was 750 rupees. Okay, so let us solve the question. So let us take number of toys produced is X. Now let us take cost of each toy. Cost of each toy. What is cost of each toy? That is 55 minus number of toys produced in a day. So which is 55 minus, we have taken number of toys produced to be X, right? So 55 minus X. Okay. Now see here, the total cost of production was 750. Okay. Total cost of production. So what is the total cost of production? That is the number of toys produced and the cost of each toy. Right? Correct? So if you are making 15 toys in one day and the cost of one toy is 40 rupees, you will multiply them, which is the total cost of the production. Okay, so the total cost of production was 750. Now multiply these both. You will get 55x minus x square is equals to 750. We have a negative sign to x square. So let us take these two terms to RHS. So you will get x square minus 55x. You have plus 55. So when you take it to RHS, which becomes minus 55 plus 750 is equals to 0. Okay. So this is the quadratic equation which we have got. Now we need to factorize this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term and find the x value. Okay. So let us prime factorize 750 and find the factors. Let us take 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 0. Then again let us go with 5. 5 3s are 15. 0. Again 5. 5 6 are 30. Then 3. 3 2s are 6. Then 2. 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now see here. If you multiply, okay, if you multiply, you need to get 750, and if you add them, you need to get the middle term, which is minus 55. Now let us find the combinations. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are is 125. So we cannot take this combination. So 5 5s are 25. Here we can take 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 30 and 25. So we can take them, right? So when you multiply, anyways, you will get 750, and when you add them, you will get the middle term, which is 55. So you need to just put the minus sign, which is minus 30 and minus 25. Okay, so let us split the middle term. X square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 is equals to 0. From the first two terms, if I take x common, you will get x minus 30. And from the next two terms, if I take minus 25 common, which is x minus 30 is equals to 0. So x minus 30 and x minus 30 are common, which is x minus 30, and the remaining is x minus 25 is equals to 0. So we will equate x minus 30 with 0, and we will also equate x minus 25 with 0. You will get x is equals to 30 and x is equals to 25. Okay. So on that day, number of toys produced might be 30 or it might be 25. Okay, clear? So please do practice these problems and let me know if you are facing any difficulty in solving them. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.